Now we're going to continue our discussions on the addition and subtraction formulas in trigonometry. And we'll call this one the part 2. No? So we have some more problems so that we can familiarize ourselves in using the formulas. No? The formulas were given last discussion. No? So we have some problems here. We're going to review our figures here, the special angles, the 30 degree, 30, 60, 90 degrees, and the 45 degrees, and the quadrantal angles, and also the conversions of the radians to degrees. So, as you can see, this triangle here, 30 degree sine of 30 is 1/2, cosine is square root of 3/2, and so on and so forth. No? So we go to the problem itself. No? So for number 1, we have here sine 30 plus x, no, is equal to sine 30 cosine x plus cosine 30 sine x, no. So using the quadrantal angles, the values of that in this triangle here, no, you can refer to this angle here. So sine 30 is 1/2 cosine x plus cosine 30 is square root of 3/2, and this one is sine x. So we factor out 1/2, so it remains here cosine x plus square root of 3 sine x. For number 2, we have here cosine 45 plus theta is equal to cosine 45 cosine theta minus sine 45 sine theta. So using again these values here, cosine 45 is square root of 2/2 cosine theta minus square root of 2/2 sine theta. So square root of 2, we factor out square root of 2/2, and we multiply it by cosine theta minus sine theta. For number 3, we have here sine theta minus sine 45. I mean sine theta minus 45 is equal to sine theta cosine 45 minus cosine theta sine 45. So sine theta here, cosine 45 is square root of 2/2, no? Minus, this is minus, no? Minus cosine theta, sine 45 is equal to square root of 2/2. We factor out square root of 2/2. What remains is sine theta minus cosine theta. So for number 4, we have here cosine 60 plus theta, no? So cosine 60, cosine theta minus sine 60 sine theta. Cosine 60 is the sine of 30 degrees, which is 1/2. So 1/2 cosine theta minus sine 60 is equal to square root of 3/2 sine theta. We factor out again 1/2. So what remains is cosine theta minus square root of 3 over square root of 3 sine theta. For number 5, we have here quadrantal angle, sine theta minus cosine 270 minus theta. So that we were using the formulas that we studied, that is equal to the sine 270 degrees cosine theta minus cosine 270 sine theta. Sine 270 is -1 cosine theta minus cosine 270 is 0 sine theta. So this one cancels out. What remains is negative cosine theta. For number 6, cosine quadrantal angles again, cosine 180 plus theta is equal to cosine 180 cosine theta minus sine 80 sine theta. Cosine 180 is equal to -1 cosine theta minus 0, this is sine 180 sine theta. So this one cancels out. What remains again is equal to negative cosine theta. So for number 7 here, sine theta minus pi, no, we are going to use this formula here, tangent theta minus tangent pi over 1 plus tangent theta tangent pi. So for conversion from radians to degrees, pi is equal to 180. No? So This one is tangent theta, tangent pi, which is equal to 180. The tangent 180 is 0. 1 plus tangent theta, tangent pi, which is equal 0 again. So, this one is tangent theta, no, over 1. So, our final answer is equal to tangent theta. For number 8, we have here cosine, and this is theta minus 1 of pi. So, this one is 90 degrees. Cosine theta, cosine 1 of pi, cosine 90, which is equal to 0. Plus sine theta, this is theta, no? So this one is theta. Where's that? So this one, sine theta, no? Sine 1 of pi, no? So cosine 1 of pi, cosine 90 is equal to 0. So this one is 0. Sine theta times 1 is sine theta. So our final answer for number 8 is sine theta. Cosine theta, no? So this one here. Sorry. So cosine theta plus 1 of pi is equal to cosine theta, cosine 1 of pi, cosine 90, minus sine theta, sine 1 of pi. So cosine theta, cosine 190 is equal to 0 minus sine theta time is sine 90, which is equal to 1. No? Sine 1 of pi is equal to 90. So cosine theta times 0 is cancels out. Minus sine theta times 1 is, our final answer is negative sine theta. No? So I hope you can practice solving these special angles here and quadrantal angles. And next time we're going to go to some other topics. So thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by Will Predatan, and also click that notification bell, no? And also, if ever you have some suggestions, no, and comments, please send it to us so that we can adjust, no, and improve our method of presentation. So thank you again, and see you again later.